Fitment, compatible with 0509 Mustang, does not fit Shelby GT 500 models. Bulb model, H13 high, low beam, bulbs not included. Package included, 1 pair of headlights, driver and passenger side, great for show use or to replace old and worn headlights. Plug-and-play operation, direct bolt-on OE fitment or replacement for the stock unit, requires no modification or drilling. Note: no instruction included, professional installer is highly recommended. A headlamp, is a lamp attached to the front of a vehicle to light the road ahead. Headlight performance has steadily improved throughout the automobile age, spurred by the great disparity between daytime and nighttime traffic fatalities. Headlights are one of the most important components of your vehicle. They allow you to see the road in front of you clearly during the night and in any bad weather that may arise. Our headlights upgrade the face of your vehicle with clear style and extreme range. Top reviews from the United States. In love. They are perfect. Much better than the factory. Definitely suggest getting bright white LEDs.